Shellfish were once shunned by many health-conscious eaters due to their cholesterol content, lumped into the same category as eggs and organ meats during the height of cholesterol anxiety in the late 20th century. Clams, shrimp, mussels, crab, and oysters were labeled as artery-clogging delicacies, best enjoyed sparingly, if at all. However, science has since overhauled our understanding of dietary cholesterol, revealing that for most people, it has a limited effect on blood cholesterol levels. In this new light, shellfish have been reevaluated not as risky indulgences, but as nutrient-dense, protein-rich foods with a host of surprising health benefits. Shellfish are exceptionally high in micronutrients that many people struggle to get enough of, particularly zinc, selenium, iodine, and vitamin B12. These nutrients are critical for immune function, thyroid regulation, red blood cell production, and DNA synthesis. Zinc, for instance, plays a central role in immune system resilience and wound healing, and oysters are among the richest natural sources of it. Just a few oysters can provide several times the recommended daily intake of zinc, far surpassing what's found in most other animal or plant foods. Selenium is another standout in shellfish, especially in species like shrimp and scallops. As a trace mineral, selenium is involved in antioxidant defense, thyroid hormone metabolism, and protection against oxidative stress. It works synergistically with vitamin E and supports glutathione peroxidase, one of the body's most important antioxidant enzymes. Getting enough selenium is especially vital in areas with selenium-poor soil, where plant-based diets may not provide adequate amounts. Omega-3 fatty acids, typically associated with fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are also present in meaningful quantities in shellfish, particularly in mussels, oysters, and clams. While the total omega-3 content may be lower than in cold-water fish, shellfish still contribute EPA and DHA, the long-chain forms of omega-3s that support brain health, reduce inflammation, and promote cardiovascular well-being. For people who avoid fish but are open to other seafood, shellfish can serve as an excellent alternative source of these essential fats. Shellfish are also relatively low in calories and high in protein, making them ideal for weight-conscious or high-protein diets. A typical serving of shrimp or scallops provides around 20 to 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, with very little fat or carbohydrate. This makes them suitable for various eating patterns, from Mediterranean to ketogenic to high-protein athletic plans. Moreover, because of their mineral richness and lean nature, shellfish can contribute to muscle repair, energy metabolism, and satiety without contributing to excessive caloric intake. As for the cholesterol issue that once overshadowed these benefits, the picture is now far more nuanced. Dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly raise blood cholesterol in most people, especially when consumed as part of a nutrient-dense, whole food diet. In fact, studies have shown that shrimp, once vilified for its cholesterol content, can actually improve the ratio of HDL, good, to LDL, bad, cholesterol in the blood, resulting in a net neutral or even beneficial cardiovascular effect. It's now understood that saturated and trans fats play a more significant role in altering cholesterol profiles than dietary cholesterol alone. From a culinary perspective, shellfish are remarkably versatile and quick to cook, with deep cultural roots in cuisines around the world. Whether steamed with garlic and olive oil, tossed into a paella, grilled with lemon and herbs, or served raw with a dash of citrus, shellfish adapt well to both simple and gourmet preparations. Their flavor is naturally rich and briny, often needing little more than minimal seasoning to shine. However, as with many high-protein animal foods, quality and sourcing matter. Shellfish from clean waters, sustainably harvested or farmed under responsible practices, tend to be both safer and more environmentally friendly. Because shellfish can accumulate contaminants from their environment, choosing reputable suppliers and checking for advisories is wise, especially for pregnant individuals or those with compromised immune systems. Still, when properly sourced and prepared, shellfish remain among the most nutrient-packed and sustainable animal proteins available. In sum, shellfish no longer deserve their outdated reputation as dangerous for the heart. In fact, they are among the most nutrient-dense foods in the sea, packed with minerals, omega-3s, lean protein, and health-promoting compounds that rival more celebrated superfoods. Rather than being avoided, shellfish can play a meaningful role in a modern, balanced diet, offering flavor, versatility, and a powerful micronutrient boost with every bite.